Now I have done completed the stitching part of the lehenga, both the lining and the lehenga. Now I'm doing the false part for the bottom, in the bottom. So if you look at it, it's actually the false is here. So I stitched it all over, just the the straight cut false for the bottom part. So it gives the thickness in the bottom. So when you dance around, it flirts. And I'm stitching the false. You just do the running stitches, and then you can do it in the machine, very quickly. That's a aim. So I'm doing the false part very quickly, like the running stitches. That's about it for the false.